Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use stop loss on Coinbase, updated. Open your Coinbase account, go to the trading screen, and pick the asset you want to protect. I'll walk through stop market and stop limit orders, show practical placement strategies, and explain common pitfalls to avoid. You'll get simple rules for position sizing, trailing stops, and how to review fills and adjust orders for changing market conditions. I'll explain the main order types you'll use and when each makes sense. Stop market prioritizes execution, while stop limit prioritizes price control, and trailing stops help capture upside while protecting profits. I'll give examples of percent-based stops like 5% or fixed distance stops like 0, and show how liquidity and slippage affect fills. By the end, you'll know which stop type matches your risk tolerance and trade frequency. Next, we'll cover practical placement and risk rules that keep emotions out of trading. Use position sizing so a stop loss equals an acceptable dollar or percentage loss. Don't place stops exactly at obvious support or resistance where price may briefly test and trigger them. Combine stops with alerts and routine reviews, and adapt stop levels when volatility or position size changes to preserve capital and mental clarity in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.